Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create Guru's black and white distress texture in Adobe Illustrator. Draw a rectangle shape. Apply gray gradient fill color. Select radial. Appearance panel. Shift F6. Click on add new effect and brush strokes and crossheads. Stroke length 3 and sharpness 20 and strength 3. Again, click on add new effect and sketch and charcoal. Charcoal thickness 1 and detail 5 and light dark balance 50. Again, click on add new effect and sketch and stamp. Light dark balance 48 and smoothness 1. Draw a horizontal shape. Select shapes and right click and make clipping mask. Ctrl 7. Finally, your distressed texture background is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create rest texture background in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.